Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add or to blur an object in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you will be needing to do now is just to get your objects so you can simply add your own project or create the project and basically add the object that you would like to blur. And basically here we have this image, and if we go here we have this video or image. Now all we'll be needing to do is to add a blur effect, and simply you can find the blur effect in the effects panel. And one of the blurs that you can find is the mosaic blur, and you can have many effects that you would like. You can just simply search for blur and you will get all the blur effects. So here you will have all the blurring effects and you can choose any one of them. So I'm just going for this mosaic blur, and all you will be needing to do is to add it to your object. So in my case, I will just basically add it to here. Now we can just zoom in to our timeline, and from here you can see that the blurring is being added to this part. And now you can start like controlling your blur. So here we can go to effects and we can see our blur. So as you can see, you can choose like even uh, where to exactly like apply the blur. So either you can have a custom format or you can have like a rectangular format or whatever you like. And now you can simply like let's just go to property. You can start extending the blur. You can like control the blur strength. Either you want it to be more smooth, the opacity. You can choose whatever you like here, and also the amount of blur and also the opacity of that. And basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.